In today's video, I will walk you through how to mark chats as unread on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Marking a chat as unread is a helpful way to remind yourself to come back to an important conversation later. Even if you've already read the messages, Telegram lets you mark the chat as unread so it stands out in your chat list. In this video, I'll show you how to do it. Start by opening Telegram and signing into your account if you're not already logged in. Once your chat list appears, locate the conversation that you want to mark as unread. Instead of opening the chat, right-click on the conversation in the chat list. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Mark as Unread. Click on it to apply the change to that conversation. As soon as you select the option, Telegram will place an unread indicator next to the chat. This makes the conversation stand out in your chat list, helping you remember that you want to return to it later. Keep in mind that marking a chat as unread doesn't change whether the other person knows you've read their messages. You can use this feature for work conversations, important reminders, messages you need to reply to later, or any chat you don't want to forget. It's a simple way to organize your conversations without moving or archiving them. When you're ready to review the conversation again, simply open the chat. Once you've viewed it, the unread indicator will be cleared automatically, and the chat will return to its normal appearance. You can repeat this process for as many chats as you like, making it easy to keep track of conversations that still need your attention throughout the day. And that's how to mark chats as unread on Telegram.